Guys, it's your boy running through a hallway because I'm trying to escape the vacuum cleaner. And oh no, an ad. You see, with my sheer force, I am able to turn the thingamabob. Guess what we are going to be playing today? No, for once, no. That's what I'm recording with. No. Whatever this is, Battle Cats. I've never played this before, and so let's just hope and pray that this works. For I am the collector. Oh, we're going into the Serponus. We're gonna be doing some Ponus. Oh boy, where'd the thing go? I'm so excited. It's downloading. 1 out of 5. Oh boy, this could be a while. Yeah, I'm gonna trace the thing. So, if you excuse me, I need to play some Xbox. Oh yeah, that explains. Reminds me of something. I can't speak English. Don't ask what that was. That was the devil. Yesterday, I had trouble buying something on the Xbox, so I was able, so I called customer support or whatever, and they gave it to me for free. It was fantastic. Right now I'm trying to find the gift card that I used because it has a lot of money on it. Well, this is downloading, but I'm also talking to you. And if you know anything about me, you would know I'm not good at finding stuff. Well, I guess my so-called dad took it away. Downloading 4 out of 5. 5 out of 5. Oh my god. Oh. This is gonna be like so. Wow, we spent 2 minutes downloading this. Can we just play? Get up and go. The Battle Cats is completely free to play. However, please be aware that there is paid content. I don't care. I just want to play. Oh. Dun, dun. Against all the global issues, civil war, financial crisis, terrorism, a brand new threat appears. The Battle Cats. We found it too hard to fight back because these cats are too cute. We are powerless to stop their region. We cannot stop their reign. We cannot stop their legion. Come to think of it, cats have already invaded the internet too. We have the best information technology system and we use them to look at cats. By the way, the developer of these Battle Cats was interviewed on TV. It went like this. Why is the new weapon a cat? And he answered, because I love cats. Are you serious? I just read what I've written. It's horrible, so horrible, I've forgotten how bad my rating was. My biggest mistake was, I don't know who I'm writing to. I remember my days as a kid, I wanted to be a major leaguer. Now I want to be a millionaire CEO of a social network service. What is this? I mean, if you have money, you don't need love, right? Yes. No. Look at the Battle Cats. They're like evil. Whatever the answer is, I want to tell you one thing. Okay? Does it have... The Battle Cats aren't so bad. Okay, can you scroll up faster? That's pretty much it. Really? You wasted my time for that? Come on. Isn't this video going so... Oh, God. I'm making a video right now, and the video has gone very weird. Oh, it's serious now. Because black screen. Oh, Korea. Battle cats. Attack the enemy base. Good. You need money, not real Dutch, to produce cats. Wait until enough is saved up. It's a dog! Dog versus cat, the epic battle. What does that do? Oh. What is going on? This is some intense gameplay, everyone. You know how I can tell? The cats are cats versus dogs. I mean, like, what? Fire the cat cannon. Wow. Is that really? Look at all these cats. Aren't they so beautiful? Wow! Look at this. Wow! Okay. Guys, I learned how to make money. You tap this thing, you summon cats, receive super kimchi. What? The shop is now open. Please help me, everyone. Okay. Log in daily. Help me. People. What have I gotten myself into? Oh no. I got a rare cat ticket. What does that do? Okay, what is going on? Please help. No. Upgrade. Can you, do any of you know? What's going on? Okay, so can you explain to me what this is? Welcome to the... What was that ticket I got? What is treasure? Oh, treasure. I'm tapping on it. What does that do? Whatever. Okay, I guess I'm gonna attack. Why is it freezing up on me? Oh, okay. I defeated Korea, now I gotta defeat Mongolia. What is the store? Well, I know what the store is. It's probably where you purchase stuff. Okay. Sniper the cat. Okay. Okay. Let's see some actual battle cat action. Am I right, everybody? I don't. Help me. fight. Let's do this. The battle begins, everybody. Woohoo! What the? They produced a dog! What the heck is that? This isn't bad. Oh, man. There's a snake! What does this do? Oh. I could use a little bit of help. Fire! This is very strange. This is what happens when people from the internet get a job. Strange stuff begins to happen. Things people would never have thought possible, but now are, because stupid people are getting a job. That's good and all, but I mean, like, who thinks of this? Not a normal human being. Bean. I'm pretty sure I can win. Look at that. Look at this. Fire! Yay! Normal portable. What does that do? If you could see my face right now, you would be like, oh my god, it's a monster. Tap this word bubble to show. Yes. Upgrade. Oh, I know what this is. I just did something. I just did something that I don't think I wanted to do. I'm not smart. What's the special cats? Oh. Okay, goodbye. Okay. I think I'll do one more battle. And then I will quit. Because this is just help me. Alright, so we're doing a battle. We defeated Mongolia with their dog snakes. It's time to go against China. Okay. Alright. Okay. That's, definitely China. Cat. Cat mode engaged. Beep, boop, 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 bop. That's a lot of dogs. I need more enemies. They released the snake. This is not good, everybody. This is not a good. A good is not this, at least. If you could say this is a good, who are you? And what? Yes, that is. If you could make something like... Nope, don't fire. Don't fire the lasers. Increase, you worker. You are my slave forever now. Yeah. This is how you win a video game, everyone. Keep on doing, yeah. I'm pretty sure I've amassed a force strong enough to overtake China. Wow. Those Chinese. Look at them. They're such noobs at video games. I doubt they've even played one before because their country is so poor. Charging the lasers! This is an amazing game. I think all of you should actually try it out and give it a chance. For what it's worth, I think you'll absolutely love it. You get to summon cats, you get to shoot this thing, you get to destroy China, which has a wall on top of it. There's a new cat? Oh my god! I can't wait! I'm dying! This is actually kind of fun. What? This is weird. Okay, I'll upgrade this and this. Upgraded. Bam! Increases. You get money for defeating an enemy? That is cool. Anyways, I think now is an excellent time to end it. Especially with advice like this. Okay. See you next time. I hope things won't be as weird. And goodbye.